Well, this is what we are going to build, a Bluetooth controlled robot. The first thing we will be using is an Uno board which will act like the brain of the robot. Next, we need a motor driver to control the motors and deliver the necessary power. We will also need the star of the show, the Bluetooth module. We are going to only use the TX, ground and VCC pins of the module for the project. Finally, we need the chassis on which we are going to build the robot. You can simply find the chassis like this along with the DC motors and easy to assemble instructions online. We have also provided the links in the description. Mount the Uno board on the chassis in a comfortable location, followed by the motor driver, making sure you have enough space near the connectors to connect the motor wires. Connect the left side motor's negative pin and positive pin to M1 and M2 and the right side motor's negative and positive pins to M3 and M4. In the driver, M1 is connected to I1 and M2 to I2, M3 to I3, M4 to I4. By controlling the pins I1, I2, I3 and I4, we can control the motors. Using couple of jumper wires, we are going to connect I1 and I2 to pin 4 and 5 of the Uno and then I3 and I4 to pin 6 and 7 of the Uno. These positive and negative wires come from the battery pack through the switch. We are going to connect it to the 12 volt and ground pins of the motor driver. Before connecting the positive pin though, we are going to attach a jumper wire with a male header pin to it so that we can use it to power up the Uno board using the V-in pin. Over in the Bluetooth module, we are going to connect 3 wires to VCC, ground and the TX pins. The TX pin is connected to pin 2 of the Uno board while the VCC and ground pins are connected to 5 volt and ground of the Uno board. The last connection is the ground. A female to male jumper wire is used to connect the ground of the driver to the Uno board. First, using the USB cable, connect the Uno board to the computer. Next, open the Arduino program given in the description and check whether the correct Uno board is selected and correct port is selected. Click on Verify to verify the code. Then hit Upload. Once the upload is done, go to the phone's Bluetooth menu and search for new devices. Click on the device and type in the default password 1234 and then click OK. Once the pairing is done, the Bluetooth might disconnect and it is OK. Disconnect the USB cable, add the batteries and turn the switch on. Now on the phone, open the Bluetooth RC controller app which can be easily found on the Play Store. If not, you can find the link in the description. Once the app is open, click on the menu and select Settings. Scroll down to find Data Stream Frequency and select On Change/Touch. And scroll down and click OK to save the settings. Once again, click on the menu and select Connect to the car. Find your device in there and select it. The blinking red light will glow green when the connection is established. Do a few test presses and then you are ready to go. Hope you have fun. We are Emra and we will catch you next time.